Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Okay, so today is 10th of August and currently I am here on the NH66 and I am on my way to the Kotigaon Wildlife Sanctuary. So in the Kotigaon Wildlife Sanctuary there is this one waterfall, Kuskem waterfall. So I am on my way to see the waterfall and also to show it to you all. Okay, so we have already left from our home and the distance of the Kuskem waterfall is like 44 kilometers from Margao and 92 kilometers from Panjim. So we have already started our drive from home and now still 1 hour drive is left to the waterfall. And over here you were just getting this view of the mountains, so I stopped here to record this video. Okay, so let's continue the journey. So this is the main entrance of the Kotigaon Wildlife Sanctuary and that was the road from where we came, and you will have to take like a sharp right and you will get this entry gate. So now let's go. And the Kuskem waterfall is now 16 kilometers from here, from the main entrance. So just after crossing the entrance of the Kotigaon Wildlife Sanctuary and after driving for a bit, you will get this spot, and just like it's quite an opening and you get to see the mountains. So the view which you all are seeing on this phone at the moment won't justify the beauty, so I'll fly my drone and I'll show you all how it looks. So we have reached here at this checkpost of the Kotigaon Wildlife Sanctuary, and let's see if there is some ticket charges or what. in the Kotiga Wildlife Sanctuary, there is also this resort, the Earthen Nest, and these are the things available at their resort.
One more.
So these are the entry charges of the Kuske waterfall, and at the moment the waterfall is closed, like you can't go there. Okay, and till when it is going to be closed is not sure. This is the track you'll have to go, and the ticket counter is ahead, but from here only they are stopping people from going. And here is there is another small check post here, and this whole is the parking of this area. So that is the Kuske waterfall, and because there was no rainfall for like around 2-3 days, like proper rains in Goa, because of that the water level of the waterfall has completely decreased. Okay, and as I said that you are not allowed to go and trek for the waterfall, because all the waterfalls in Goa are closed at the moment. So because we couldn't see the Kuske waterfall, we decided that in this area only, like 20 kilometers apart, there's this another waterfall, the Baman Buda waterfall and the Bhupar waterfall. So right now we are on our way to the Baman Buda waterfall, and just look at this, beautiful view. Like, just look at how they have done this paddy plantation. It was so beautiful. Okay, and just these mountains. And now we are on our way to the Baman Buda waterfall. So we have reached here at the Baman Buda waterfall, and this waterfall is like right beside the road. Over there is the waterfall. Here it is. This is like really very big, unlike the Kuske waterfall. And y'all can also go down if y'all want to have if y'all want to enjoy the water, and like there's a proper path made. So this is the path to go down, and it looks quite slippery. have reached back on top, like on the road back from the waterfall. I tell you, all the videos which I have made of waterfalls till now, this was the best and the cleanest, I would say. Not a single piece of glass or any trash like bottles or anything. Nothing. It was so clean, I tell you. Really liked this one. Okay. So now there is another waterfall, the Bhupar waterfall. We'll go there and we'll also see that waterfall. So while returning, this is the place where we are having snacks. So I'll just show you all. On this route you won't get much to eat, so that's why I'm showing it to you all. Here it is, Meena Tea Hotel, and like it's quite spacious and everything inside. So this is the couple who runs it, and this is how it is. So it's 2:30 p.m. right now, and we have reached here at the last waterfall, which is the Bhupar waterfall. And this behind me here is the parking for the Bhupar waterfall. So there is the parking, and you all have to just come hardly a walk of a minute, and there is the waterfall. That is the Bhupar waterfall. And right now you all can see that everybody is just having bath over there. If you come to the Bhupar waterfall on like Sundays or any, you'll find literally a lot of crowd. Today is actually Saturday and it's afternoon, so because of that there are not that many people. Okay, but still there are a few people who are enjoying at this waterfall. just left from the Bhupar waterfall and you get this spot. Come, let me show you. So you get this spot, okay? यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो पूरी खेती है यहाँ पे, and on the other side you have this small stream and the view is so beautiful, I tell you, like really unreal. It kind of look like, you know, terrace farming. I don't know what exactly to call this, but it looks that way and it's really very beautiful.